In this video, I'll show you how to create a dot grid in Figma. Start by opening Figma and going to your drafts or any file where you want to add a dot grid. Once your canvas is ready, select or create a frame where the grid will be applied. With the frame selected, go to the right-hand panel and scroll down to the Layout Guide section. Click the plus icon to add a grid. By default, it will appear as a standard grid. Click on the grid settings and change the type to Grid. Next, adjust the size value to control the spacing between the dots. To create a dot-style grid, lower the opacity and adjust the color to a lighter shade. You can customize the look by changing the color, spacing, and size of the dots depending on your design needs. And that's it. You've successfully created a dot grid in Figma. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.